Our first award winner for this evening is a shining example of human resilience that can turn tragedy into triumph. Amid the personal adversity of losing her husband and her son within the span of a year, Ms. Anu Aga took over as chairperson of Thermax. She was instrumental in orchestrating the turnaround of the company and today features in the list of India's top 10 richest women and in the Forbes list of the world's billionaires. Ms. Aga has been an epitome of ethics, courage and compassion throughout her illustrious life. She speaks fearlessly and gives generously. She is committed to several social causes, focusing primarily on education for the underprivileged. She is the chairperson and founder trustee of Teach for India, a movement that aims to bridge the inequality gap in education among children from different strata of society. She is closely associated with the NGO Akanksha, which runs 20 schools between Pune and Mumbai, and with Thermax Foundation, which supports 5 schools in Pune. A former member of the Rajya Sabha, Ms. Aga is the recipient of several awards, including the Padma Shri for social work. She is truly an inspiration to millions of Indians. Priyadarshini Academy is honored to present the Global Award for Outstanding Contribution to Education for the Underprivileged to Ms. Anu Aga, and I'd like to request our chief guest, Mr. Nitin Gadkari, to present this award. Ms. Aga, may I request you to please say a few words on this memorable occasion. Thank you for being with us.
Friends, I would like to thank all the members of the advisory committee for giving me the Priyadarshini Academy Global Award for Outstanding Contribution to Education for the Underprivileged. For over 20 years, I've been associated with an NGO called Akanksha, which runs 21 schools in Mumbai and Pune for the poor. I have also supported Teach for India since its inception, which was 10 years ago. In order to make teaching an aspirational profession, we recruit the brightest graduates and accept about 7% of those who apply. After spending 2 full years in municipal and under-resourced schools, 70 to 75% of them choose to stay back in the social sector and give up the lucrative corporate opportunities. I dedicate this award to the relentless efforts put in by both these NGOs to improve the quality of education. Education is the most powerful lever to pull any child out of poverty. To give an example, 10 of our Akanksha students have been selected by the United World College to study in various countries. They will also be sponsored for further studies in the US. Right to education has increased enrollment in municipal schools, but quality is still not attained. The NGO Pratham brings out a survey named Asar, which shows that the standards are deteriorating in language, math, and science. In 2009, India took part in a world survey called PISA, and we came second last out of 74 countries, and Kyrgyzstan was the only country behind us. For India to be a global player, focusing on quality education is a must. Amongst the myriad challenges that our nation faces, I believe that giving every child a good education will be the single most effective move to bring about a wide range of changes towards an India we all wish to build. The two NGOs I am involved with have demonstrated that given quality education, any child from any background can excel. I once again thank all of you for this award which has been given to me today. Thank you.